Hi all, for all our billionaire customer, we would like to announce the new sluice box that we made by ourselves with our experience. So the sluice box, it comes in two ways. The first way, if you have a moving river, or if you are having a crusher, you are crushing the sand and the stones, and you are using the traditional sluice box and the traditional mat. Here, this is very cheap option and very efficient to find the powder gold, the small gold, and also you can put this into your washing machine. If you have a big washing machine, a trommel, you can use this one. This one you can use it in two methods. The first method, if you have the water itself, like moving water, or if you have a washing machine, you can just plug in this piece and you can do something easy. You are able to extend it, so you can, if you need something longer, simply you will buy two pieces. You will put the second piece here. There will be a connector with it inside the box, so you can make it from the mat is 100 centimeter, and the length of this one 1.2 meter. So you can make another one, which the sluice will be 2 meter of carpet. The carpet, come closer. As you can see here, we already did some testing. This is soft rubber. This is all soft. What this, when the water is moving here, it will make like a circle. Come. It will make circle here, so the gold will stay inside this holes. So many sluices in same this shape, the price will be too expensive. The price will be very cheap. And the sluice box over here, see, even if you would like to remove, this will not go out unless you open the lock. And if you are doing a crushing, if you are doing washing in a place that you don't have a moving water, simply you will change this attachment to this attachment, and by this one you can use a 12-volt battery, and the machine comes with the normal 12-volt water pump. So simply you need to buy additionally from your location, or you can request it from us, charger and the battery. Battery we cannot supply it. Battery it will be so expensive for you to buy because of shipping. Battery you can buy from your location. It will be much cheap. So like this kind of battery, it cost me maybe $15. The charger and the battery cost me less than $30. So let us run the machine, but this one will be, I will show you, we'll change the attachment so quickly. The machine now it's ready to order. It will be available after 2 weeks from the day of this video. All the samples that we have right now is already sold out, and this is only by booking right now. If you don't book, you will get nothing. It's not that difficult to connect, and some with all the screws, with everything. a minute, and we are done. So this is the water pump. In some cases you will need additional water pump. Look at the flow of the water. You will put the sand here. You can use this kind of scoop. You can put another extension. You can do a cleanup. You can use it for. You can use it. See, if you are crushing a stone and you want something catch everything, you will use this one. If you want to go for prospecting to find a new location, you want to check if there is gold or not, this is the best option. If you are having a crusher with water and you want something that to catch gold, you will use this one. If you have a washing machine and you are using the green carpet, which is the holes of it is big, especially in Ghana, people are using machine after the washing machine because the mat they are using is not good. You can use this. You can put 3 pieces next to each other and you will have a big sluice. You can extend it and make it longer if you are having a heavy water and you want to control the flow. So this will be the best option for you, and the price now in Dubai 410 USD, 410 or 420, I don't remember exactly, but it will be with this range. So and everything comes inside this box. The weight of the box is 8.44 kg. Thank you.